Long, long, long. Ano na, Chito?
Doon na dito, kahit malayo na yun.
Oo, sina doon.
White ball. Number 9 to 19. Pass to number 9 again. No good. Number 19. A push. Number 11.
Go, daddy, kamo.
Ano ko si Jod?
Late violation. Favor of white. Number 17. To number 8. The jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 23. To number 15.
The jump shot. The jump shot.
Oh, black ball.
Jump shot.
17 passes to Gani. Gani loses the ball.
Dala niya ako si Gani.
Oh, intercepted by the nurse, number 11.
No!
Recovered by number 8. Tap from behind.
Go! Go, 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 go! Go!
Shoot.
Right! Malas na lang po siya.
Loses it to number 15. Bradley.
Malas na lang po siya. Malas pasa eh.
White ball. Oh, blue ball. Sorry. The score is still 19-13. To number 8.
Sinong 19?
Oh! Number 19.
Go, 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 go. Ay,
Tap.
oh, ano ba yan?
No call. Number 7. Gani!
Dang, go.
19-15. The Nerds.
1950. Come on, come on.
15. Oh! Intercepted again. White ball.
Hey, shot nyo na!
Down under and a foul.
Kakanis.
Foul number 11.
Chito, pasitin mo yan.
Ay, nako po. Shoot mo lahat yan.
Si Chito eh.
Second shot. $16 minutes in this last half. Substitution. What was it? Black ball. The Nerds trying to recover. To number 6. Foul number 9, White. Tugani. Oh! Almost lost the ball. Recovered. Black ball. Joseph. Tugani. Misses the shot. Rebound by number 23. White ball. 14 minutes and 45. Number 23. To number 9. No good. Misses the shot. Recovered by number 5. Back to number 19. Loses the ball. 14 minutes and 15. Substitution by White. 19, 15 in favor of White.
Sila pa rin?
Number 17.
Lamang pa rin sila?
Looking for a teammate. Tugani. Nice shot. 13 minutes and 45. It's now 19 over 17. The Nerds are number 5. Ooh. Trying to bring back the lead. 21-17. Intercepted this time. No call, no call. Number 15. Black ball. Keep the play running when there's no call. Ooh. Bad pass. Number 14. Blocking. Foul number 17, Black. Timeout! Nerds. Back to the ball game. White ball still on the lead. 21-17. Jump shot. 3 points. 24-17 in favor of White. Nerds under pressure. Foul number 15, White, with 12 minutes and 10 seconds. This last half. To Joseph. To RJ. No good. Rebound by number 5. 11 minutes and 50. Nerds. Number 17 to number 8. Nice layup. 24-19 in favor of White. The Nerds are trying to cut the lead. Number 19. No jump shot. Nurse ball to Art to Joseph. Goal! Must have been a good play. Timeout. Timeout. Tomahawk with 11 minutes and 9 seconds. A nice run by the Nerds. 24-19.
Wait, hindi nakapasok. Wait!
Pasok ka sa kwet.
Back to the ball game. 11 minutes in this last half. Tomahawks leading 24-19.
Talaga lang ah.
Sabay. Ayan.
Ayan.
One timeout each team.
Masyadong madilim eh.
Wala kami lighting eh.
White ball, number 19 to number 14. Fakes it. Turn. And a foul.
Sayang. Sayang.
Foul number.
Inapaw.
Inapaul.
10 minutes and 30 this last
Kaya.
half.
Kulit eh.
Committee timeout. We're going to reset the time. 11 minutes. It's 11 minutes. 11 minutes. Committee timeout. On 10, what?
Committee.
10:46.
Okay,
Committee timeout.
Okay, what?
And the score is 24-19.
Committee timeout.
Committee.
24-19. 24 on white, 19 on black. 10 minutes and 46. Remaining time.
It's a committee timeout. Committee. That's what he said.
24-19.
Pangitingin din siya.
Okay, close up.
Close up. Yung puwet ni Achito ang ano eh. Mas marami pang kuha.
Hey, come on, yes. Shit, yes.
Hit! And a spin! And a foul again!
Oh, fuck.
Sorry.
Foul number 6, black.
Take your
2
time.
shots.
Take your times.
10 minutes and 25.
Take your times. Good.
Take the first shot. Each team got 1 timeout left. A lane violation. No good.
Sayang.
The last shot doesn't count. Black ball. The white are going in for a press.
Sayang.
Number 28. Passes to number 10. Number 5. Almost lost the ball. Attack. Foul number 14. 9 minutes and 38 seconds. 25-19. Oh! A steal by number 15. And a new player. 27-19. Favor of white. No good. Reverse by number 11.
Go! Dali!
Number 15 to number 5.
Shoot!
And a foul. Charging foul by number 5.
Dami ng foul dito.
8 minutes and 50.
Dami ng foul
Dead ball, dead ball. To number 28. Back pass. White ball.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
8 minutes and 40. 27-19. No good. And jump shot, number 14. Number 23. For the Hawks. Rebound by number 6. Black ball. Number 9. Passes to number 11. And a reverse again. 27-21. The Nerds. Oh, the steal. Number 9.
Bantayan nyo kasi.
The Nerds trying to cut the lead. It's now just a 6-point lead. 3 goals! 7 minutes and 40. The Nerds are 24. Tomahawk 27. And a foul. Timeout. I'm sorry. Substitution. A major revamp on the lineup of the Nerds. 27-24.
Kala ko ano?
Number 15. Next shot. 29-24. 7 minutes. Now it's just 2-point lead by White. A 2-point lead by White. 6 minutes and 30. Number 15. Almost on the ball. White ball. White ball. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Just a 2-point lead by White, and a foul. Foul number 8, Black. 1-on-1. 1-on-1. Misses the shot. It's the Nerds ball. Foul on White. 5 minutes and 20. Just a 2-point lead by White. Number 8. The jump shot again. There's a shot! We're tied! 29 up! 5 minutes in this ball game.
We're tied. 29 Nakakainis. Dang! Humabot na yan.
Double team. Number 15. And a foul.
They're tied.
Substitution. Second dead ball.
They are tied.
There's a foul. So there's a Good make. Shot. And that's about it. That's the next ball now. That's the next ball. And the Nerds on the run. And a reverse. No, we want
Go, 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 go,
White on the
go.
left.
Yes!
This is the foul. Third. So 4 minutes.
The North are leading! I'm sorry, I got carried away. Ladies and gentlemen, sorry for that. We got 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes. Let's play something from the history.
Ano naman? 2 points lang, 2 points.
Back to the ball. Okay, that's the ball. It's now, there's good 4 minutes.
4 minutes to get, 4 minutes to play. A big turnaround in this ball game. The Nerds are now leading 2 points. Each team got 1 time. No timeout for white. 1 timeout for black.
One time.
Time out. Time out, eh. Time out.
Probably by white.
Timeouts na
Time
lang.
out.
Nerds to Gani, to Joseph, number 9.
Naku, ilang points na? 5.
35-30 in favor of black. Stolen! And number 9. No ball. Number 15 to number 5.
Ay, naku.
Right ball. It's now 35.
It's white ball. White. White. Good shot by white.
Record ka, hindi mo makita.
35-32.
Ay, naku.
Good shot by white. Okay. Then the Nerds. Number 17 toward and a pass.
Sino? Ha? Si Bansa? Si Bunso.
Late violation. No count. No count. Late violation. White ball. White. White has time. Make this back. 3 minutes of this game. White under pressure now. No good for a 3-point shot. Got it. The Nerds.
Ba naman niya nagaan?
Number
Nakapap.
7 to number 8 to number 9. The Nerds are taking their time to Joseph now. To RJ and the front. Foul line. 2 minutes and 30. 1-on-1. 1-on-1. We got 1-on-1.
We're done. Ah.
1 point this game.
Right there? Where's Daddy? Huh?
What we got here is a free throw situation. The Nerds.
Situation. One time
There's
out.
been a big turnaround in this game. The Nerds are up by 4.
One time out na lang.
This is the shot. Rebound by White. White. White ball.
White ball. Mamaya.
It's White's ball.
Yan na.
32. Number Double that. 23. Number 26. Passes to number 23. And it's the first one. Number 17. Almost has the ball. Okay.
Ali ka na dali.
And it's a jump. It's teapot. Your substitution on White. 1 minute and 45 seconds to shoot. Attention, all flights leading to Rally Building. All flights leading to Rally Building. Number 17.
Sayang.
Number 8. The Nerds taking their time on this ball game. They're leading up 4. Number 17. To Gatti. Passes to number 9. A minute, 20 minutes to play.
Ay, nako. Kaya nga.
A minute and 20. The Nerds, what a big surprising lead by the Nerds. Nerds, cut time. To number 17. To number 9, to Gani. And 5.
Sito na naman. Sito na naman, foul? Hindi ako magtataka. Last time, wala ako
Long Next game, Carolina Realty versus J&J Tour. Be ready. Next game. Stop, ref. Teams, for the next game, be ready. A 6-point lead enjoyed by the Nerds. Makes the second shot. That's 7-point lead. Number 19. No good for the 3-point attempt. Just a 2-point. 39-44. And
Go!
ball sticks in play. White.
Come on!
37 seconds.
Come on, show!
No good. 40 seconds. 39-34. And foul.
Pwede pa yan.
25 seconds.
Ay, shit, wala na.
25 seconds.
Wala na.
Ato tayo sa NBA, seconds ka eh, meron pa nangyayari.
5 points.
5-point shot. Malay mo.
2 shots. Got 2 shots.
Wala nang cheerlead. Wala kasi si Joy eh. Wala kasi si Joy eh.
Ano yung tawag niya kay Ramirez? Ano ba yun?
40-34. The Nerds, a big comeback in this game.
Baka mag-split pa dito.
That's 41 for the Nerds with 25 seconds to shoot. No good.
Number 15.
Oh, pwede pa! Pwede pa! Darn it.
5 seconds to shoot.
Yan, ano na lang nila yun.
5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. Next game, JJ Turaturo versus Carolina Realty.
Nakalapansin mo.
Yan, tayo ka dyan.
Kulang dyan. Si Argel, si Philippines,
42,
si Jay.
37.
Sai. Meron ko. Sa susunod na laro. Nandiyan na si Jay.
That's mine. That's mine.
Paiiyakin mo pa eh.
And that's the game, ladies and gentlemen. What a nice game by the third